suggests the two populations mixed in about the year 1200. The lead author of the study is Alexander Ioannidis of Stanford University, and delighted to say we can speak to him now. Thanks for talking to Newsday. So what exactly did you find out?
Hi, thank you. What we found is that there was contact between the Native American populations of the coast of South America and the Polynesian populations from eastern Polynesia. We find Native American ancestry on a number of islands in eastern Polynesia. And previous researchers had been looking for this sort of ancestry in Easter Island. It had been theorized, going back to Thor Heyerdahl, but we actually find the ancestry is spread on islands besides that, Marquesas and the Tuamotus in French Polynesia.
And for those whose geography is perhaps not quite up to scratch, and I include myself in that number, give us a sense of the kind of journey then that would have needed to be made for this to have happened.
Sure. I mean, what we're looking at here is either a journey of the Polynesian navigators who were at that time, we find contact around 1200 AD, in the Middle Ages, basically. They were exploring the most remote Polynesian islands at that time and discovering them. And it's possible that in that process they discovered not an island but a continent. Having arrived in South America, there was some admixture between the Native Americans and the Polynesians, and then some of them returned and brought that back. The other possibility is that Native Americans actually drifted. There were boats trading up along the coast of South America to Central America, and if they had drifted out into the Pacific, the currents would have taken them into the Marquesas and the Tuamotus.
So that's fascinating.